Let's get into how to embed an IDX feed into your Squarespace website. So here at Squarespace, you're going to go down to code injection, click on code injection. You're going to need to upgrade your Squarespace account to the core account. That's $36 a month, or you can pay annually. I did monthly just for this to try it out, and then after that you're going to go to main navigation. You're going to go to blank page. You can technically embed the code anywhere on the site. I just went and created a new page here called search properties. So go up to edit, you're going to go to add section, going to go to add a blank section, and then here up in the top left you go to add block, click on code. Now you're going to need your IDX feed code, your embedding code, so you have to email the MLS or use a code from a IDX provider, and then you're going to take that code and you're going to paste it into this HTML block here. So you go over here, copy, paste, put that in here, go into preview in safe mode, and then your IDX feed will begin to populate. After you do that, you're going to take your little blue box here, you're going to shrink it down until it fits the right size. Go up to save, you're going to save, then you go to exit, and now you can see on your search properties page you have an IDX feed. Hope you enjoyed.